What is going on, everyone out there? Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. I am talking today about a men's fragrance. It's a cologne called London by English Laundry. This, of course, is the bottle, and I think it looks great. I like the blue and the gold, and the overall design I think is very nice. If I had to describe this fragrance in a very broad sense, I'd say that it is sophisticated, it's classy, it's elegant, and above all else, it is very masculine. And then if I had to sort of narrow the scope of my description, I would then point out that this cologne is warm, sweet, yet tart. It is dark, it is rich, and it is earthy. Now, the cologne opens rather sweet and peppery. It's a nice opening. It's strong, but you really can detect the peppery and spicy sort of scent, and the sweetness comes from the top notes, I believe, as I recall, are pineapple. That's what I really smell, the pineapple, and it also includes blackberries and apple. This cologne sort of transforms and it then becomes earthy, and it's got a woodsy sort of a smell to it, and it's got that it's got richness to it, and it becomes distinctively, in my opinion, masculine. But that pepperiness sort of transforms to a subtle spiciness, and you can detect some of a mossy green sort of faintness in the background, but overall a very deep and dark, a little degree of some smokiness to it. And then the mid notes have juniper in it. It has ambergris, and it has patchouli, and I think I can definitely detect the patchouli. And one of the things that I really can detect in this cologne is the moss smell or scent, and it really stands out to me, and that is one of the base notes, and it also includes as a base note jasmine, as well as vanilla musk, but it definitely has a mossy sort of a smell to it, and I definitely can detect somewhat of a muskiness, a musky sort of scent as well. So those are the notes, and they all come together very, very nicely to create a wonderful men's cologne. It's a very masculine fragrance again, and I think it is a sophisticated one at that. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that I did some research about this London by English Laundry cologne, and I discovered that there are folks out there who believe that this cologne smells similar to a popular cologne called Aventus by Creed. Now, I don't know what Aventus by Creed smells like, so I am not going to speak to that, but I nonetheless wanted to bring that to your attention. All right, so one of the things I forgot to tell you is where I got this. I bought this for only $14.99, and I got this, as you can well see, I bought this from Marshall's, and I think this is well worth the price. A fantastic deal, I might say, and I really like this cologne. It's definitely worth checking out. All right, folks, that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this cologne. Have you tried it? Does it sound interesting? Have you tried any other cologne from English Laundry. Drop a comment relating to men's fragrances in general. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe, please. I'd appreciate that. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care.